Hello, everyone. My name is Alexis Crook, Customer Success Manager here at ProSymmetry. In this video, I'm going to be going over our snapshot types. The point of a snapshot type is to ensure consistency with your snapshots. So first, let's navigate to our admin settings and next to snapshot types. So within here, this is where you can create and edit your snapshot types. You can see here I've created a baseline snapshot type Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, but these are customizable. You can create whatever kind of type you would like. One thing I do want to point out within this screen is the note that you can only assign one snapshot per individual project to a specific snapshot type. I have this project Apollo Phase 14 pulled up, and I'm going to navigate to these snapshots. And this will make a little bit more sense here. So as you can see here, I have taken 3 different snapshots of this project, and I have titled them. I have also assigned them a snapshot type. So as you can see here, I've got my Q2 snapshot, Q3 snapshot, and Q4 snapshot. So what I meant by you can only assign one snapshot type per project is that within this screen, I cannot have 2 Q4 snapshots. If I want to take another snapshot, maybe within Q4, I suggest creating a new snapshot type or just not giving it a type. So within this screen, I can create a snapshot and assign it a type here. And you'll see that if I choose Q2 and create that snapshot, this Feb 2022 Q2 is no longer assigned to a snapshot type, if that makes sense. I believe that is it for the snapshot type. I am also going to be creating another video more in depth on snapshots if you're interested. So keep an eye out for that. We also have some more information in our help center on snapshots, but also feel free to reach out with any questions if you have them. Thank you.